Hi there, friends. Lulu here. Welcome back to our channel where we believe that big style comes in small packages. Today we are super excited to share our latest video, small but beautiful and comfy 40 studio apartment design ideas. Dive into a world where every square foot counts and discover how to turn your snug studio into a dazzling den of design. From minimalist chic to boho vibes, we've curated a collection of 40 incredible studio apartments that are full of character and clever design hacks. Get ready to see how bold colors and smart lighting can set the perfect mood. Learn about space-saving furniture that doesn't skimp on style. Find out how to create eye-catching focal points in a compact space. Uncover the secrets to organizing with flair and functionality. So, whether you are moving into your first studio or just looking to refresh your current one, this video is your go-to guide for making the most out of your precious space. Hit that like button if you are ready to transform your studio into a sanctuary of style and subscribe to stay up to date with all our creative content. Can't wait to start this journey with you. Let's make every inch count. And remember, in the world of design, there are no small spaces, only big ideas. Let's bring them to life. You may be wondering why another studio apartment video. The explanation is simple. Studio apartments have become a prominent choice for urban dwellers, seeking affordability, convenience, and a compact living environment. As housing prices in metropolitan areas continue to rise, more individuals and couples are turning to studio apartments as a viable living option. These small but efficient spaces typically combine the living room, bedroom, and kitchen into a single open area, offering a streamlined and cozy atmosphere. However, the limited space in studio apartments presents unique challenges. Without proper planning, the compact nature of these homes can quickly feel cramped and cluttered. This is where smart design solutions come into play. Innovative interior design can transform a modest studio apartment into a functional and aesthetically pleasing living space. Key elements such as multifunctional furniture, clever storage solutions, and strategic layout planning are crucial to making the most of every square foot. The trend toward smaller living spaces has sparked creativity in interior design. Designers now focus on maximizing both comfort and aesthetics, ensuring that even the smaller homes can offer a high quality of life. From fold-out beds and modular sofas to hidden storage compartments and space-saving kitchenettes, there are countless ways to enhance the functionality and beauty of studio apartments. To inspire you further, we recommend checking out the latest video from Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. This video showcases 40 innovative studio apartment design ideas, each offering a unique approach to overcoming the limitation of small spaces. Whether you are looking for minimalist designs, cozy setups, or multifunctional solutions, this video is bound to provide valuable insights and inspiration for your own studio apartment. Designing a functional and comfortable studio apartment requires meticulous planning and innovative solutions to maximize the available space. One of the foremost strategies is to incorporate space-saving furniture that serves multi-purposes. For instance, a sofa bed can transform a living area into a sleeping space at the night, while a wall-mounted foldable desk can function as both a workspace and a dining table. These multifunctional pieces are essential in maintaining an uncluttered environment while fulfilling various needs. Another critical aspect is the use of clever storage solutions. Utilizing vertical space can significantly increase storage capacity without compromising floor area. Shelves mounted high on walls, underbed storage boxes, and built-in cabinets can house belongings neatly and keep them out of sight, contributing to a tidy and organized space. Additionally, furniture with hidden storage compartments, such as ottomans or coffee tables with lift tops, can provide extra storage options for items like books, blankets, and other necessities. Layout planning is fundamental to ensure that each area of the studio apartment serves its intended purpose efficiently. Zoning or the strategic division of the space into different functional areas can prevent the apartment from feeling chaotic. For example, placing a room divider or a bookshelves between the sleeping area and the living area can create a sense of separation and privacy. Similarly, positioning the kitchen adjacent to the dining area can streamline meal preparation and dining activities. Example from the video illustrate this principle vividly. These innovative designs demonstrate how thoughtful planning and versatile furniture can transform a compact studio into a functional and comfortable living space. Designing a studio apartment requires thoughtful consideration of styles and themes that maximize both space and comfort. Several popular design styles can be adopted to fit the unique constraints of a studio apartment, each bringing its own charm and functionality. Minimalist design is an excellent choice for small spaces, characterized by clean lines, neutral colors, and a lack of clutter. This style emphasizes the use of essential furniture and decor. Opt for multifunctional pieces like a bed that doubles as storage or a foldable dining table. Minimalist design creates a serene environment, making your apartment feel more spacious and organized. Scandinavian style, known for its simplicity and functionality, also works well in studio apartments. This design emphasizes natural light, airy spaces, and a palette of whites and soft neutrals. Incorporate wooden furniture, cozy textiles, and greenery to bring warmth and comfort. A Scandinavian-inspired studio apartment feels both inviting and practical. For those who prefer a more rugged aesthetic, the industrial style offers a unique charm. Exposed brick walls, metal fixtures, and raw wood elements define this look. Use open shelving and repurpose industrial materials to create a cohesive design. Industrial style can make a small space feel edgy and modern while still being functional. Bohemian design is perfect for those who love vibrant colors and eclectic decor. This style embraces a mix of patterns, textures, and cultural artifacts. Layered rugs, vintage furniture, and an array of plants can transform a studio apartment into a cozy, creative heaven. Bohemian design allows for personal expression and can make even the smallest space feel unique and lovely. From the minimalist, serene simplicity to the bohemian's eclectic vibrancy, these styles and themes provide a myriad of options to enhance your studio apartment. By carefully selecting furniture and decor that fit the chosen aesthetic, you can create a beautiful and comfortable living space that reflects your personal taste. Personalizing your studio apartment is essential to transforming it from a mere living space into a true home. Infusing your personality into the decor can make a significant difference in how comfortable and inviting your apartment feels. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through artwork. Whether you prefer paintings, photography, or sculptures, art pieces can serve as focal points that reflect your taste and interests. Consider a gallery wall to display a collection of smaller artworks, which can add visual interest without overwhelming the space. Textiles are another powerful tool to personalize your studio apartment. Throw pillows, blankets, and area rugs can introduce color, textures, and warmth, making the space cozier. Opt for textiles that complement your overall color scheme, but don't be afraid to mix patterns and fabrics for more eclectic and personalized look. Curtains or drapes can also add a touch of elegance and privacy while enhancing the room's aesthetic. Plants are excellent additions to any studio apartment, bringing a touch of nature indoors. They not only purify the air but also add a sense of tranquility and vibrancy. Even if you have a limited space, small potted plants or hanging planters can be strategically placed to enhance the room's ambience. Consider low maintenance options such as succulents or air plants if you don't have a green thumb. When adding personal touches, it's crucial to maintain a balance between personal style and the need to keep the space open and airy. Opt for multifunctional furniture and storage solutions to avoid clutter and ensure that personal items are displayed thoughtfully rather than haphazardly. For example, a stylish bookshelf can showcase both your favorite books and decorative items, serving both practical and aesthetic purposes. Examples from the video demonstrate how seamlessly personal items can be integrated into a well-designed studio apartment. A minimalist approach to personalizing your space ensures that while your apartment reflects your individuality, it remains functional and visually appealing. Ultimately, the key is to create a harmonious blend of personal elements with a design that maximizes space and comfort. And that's a wrap on our journey through the delightful world of studio apartments. We hope you enjoyed exploring these 40 beautiful and comfy design ideas as much as we loved sharing them with you. Remember, your space may be small, but your creativity is limitless. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found inspiration for your own space. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing content on living large and small spaces. Share this video with friends who might be looking for big ideas for their small heavens. We are always here to help you make the most of your home, no matter its size. So keep those design dreams alive and never hesitate to turn them into reality. Thank you for watching and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep designing, keep dreaming, and keep making your home uniquely yours. Stay creative, stay confident, as always, stay fabulous. Take care and we'll see you soon. Bye now.